I have designed a lot of home automation PCB which is based on ESP32 chip, and to reduce the cost I haven't added any programming circuit on it. So to flash the program into the ESP32 chip, we required external programming circuit, or we could also use ESP32 development board to program the ESP32 chip. So I thought to design a ESP Programmer Module, and this is the ESP Programmer Module that I designed. And using this module, you can program any ESP32 chip or module effortlessly, not just ESP32 chip. This ESP Programmer Module is based on the CP2102N USB to UART bridge controller, and I have added Type-C connector on it, so we can directly connect the ESP Programmer Module with our computer and program ESP chip and modules effortlessly. And size of this ESP Programmer Module is very compact, that is 20 mm by 35 mm. And during the video, I will explain all these things in detail. So in this video, I am going to explain the schematic of this module in detail, features and specification of CP2102N USB to UART bridge controller, and also I will show you how to flash code in some popular ESP chips and modules like ESP CAM module, ESP32 chip, ESP01 module and ESP8266 chip. Before we move on, let me tell you about a fantastic tool that has made my PCB design process so much more efficient, Altium 365. Altium 365 is the first open electronic hardware development platform that fosters a secure and collaborative design environment. Whether you are working alone or with a team, Altium 365 ensures everyone is on the same page. Key benefits of Altium 365 is data management. Store all your design data securely in one place with robust version control, ensuring everyone works with the latest file. Library management. Access millions of ready-to-use parts with up-to-date supply chain data, making informed design decision easier. Supply chain management. Integrated BOM management with real-time data on parts availability. And pricing helps streamline your production cycles. Collaboration. Enable seamless collaboration with your team and manufacturers, reducing errors and speeding up the design process. And if you are a student and want to be job ready in electronics design, try Altium Student Lab. You will get free access to Altium Designer and Altium 365, so you can collaborate with your mates and earn a certificate that recognized by top industries in India. It's a great way to boost your skills and your resume. Just enter your university email to get started for free and learn real skills that lead to real jobs with Altium Student Lab. And benefits of this Altium Student Lab is, you will get free access to Altium Designer student license and PCB design courses, university level curriculum and course certified from Altium Education, free access to Power Analyzer by Keysight. This is an amazing opportunity to gain industry recognized skills. Thanks to Altium for sponsoring this video. For more details, check out the link in the description. CP2102N is a highly integrated USB to UART bridge controller, which provides a simple solution for updating RS-2323 design to USB using a minimum component and PCB space. CP2102N supports USB 2.0 with 12 megabits per second USB data rate. CP2102N has multiple baud rates. It supports baud rate from 300 bits per second to 3 megabits per second. This chip supports hardware flow control, that is RTS and DTR, and software flow control, that is XON and XOP. CP2102N also has EEPROM support, which allows custom USB descriptors and power settings. And this chip can survive in temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius. This is all about features and specification. Now let's move to the schematic of this module. This is the schematic of ESP32 Programmer Module using the CP2102N USB to UART bridge. Let me explain the main components and their functions. This is the USB Type-C connector, which is used for providing power and data lines for communication with the computer. Next we have voltage regulator IC, which converts the +5 volt from USB to a stable 3.3 volt, which is needed for the ESP, and these capacitors are used as decoupling capacitor for the voltage regulator IC and for power supply lines to filter the noise. This is our main component, that is CP2102N USB to UART converter. D- and D+ is USB data lines connected to the microcontroller. V bus is a USB power input. TXT and RXT, these are the serial communication lines for the ESP. DTR and RTS, these are the control lines that are used for programming the ESP. Apart from these pins, we also have other GPIO pins for additional functionality. This is the header pins for connecting ESP. These are the indicator LEDs, which is used for indicating the data transmission. That's all the explanation part of this schematic. I think this is enough. After finalizing the schematic, I designed the custom PCB for it. After designing the PCB, I gave its order to JLCPCB for PCB manufacturing. JLCPCB is a leading PCB manufacturing company in China. JLCPCB provide high quality and reliable PCB in a very affordable price. And ordering process of PCB from JLCPCB is very easy. Just you need to upload the Gerber file of your PCB. Select the quantity and select the color masking. And after that, click on Save to Cart to complete your order. And here, if you select the fastest shipping method, you will get your PCB delivered to your desired location within a week. After 5 days, I got my PCB in a very good packaging. As usual, the quality of PCB is very premium and PCB looks pretty professional. And this red color PCB looks very beautiful. And apart from this, JLCPCB also provide PCB assembly service, 3D printing services, and also they started multi-class silk screen PCB manufacturing services. So if you have any PCB project, do try out JLCPCB for your next projects. And all the important links are available in the description. Now let's try to upload the code in ESP boards using this ESP Programmer Module. First here I am going to upload the code in ESP32CAM module. Make the connections of ESP Programmer Module to ESP32CAM module as per this connection diagram. And make sure to connect this GPIO 0 pin to ground, that is pull down the GPIO 0. Connect the ESP Programmer Module with computer through Type-C cable. Now open Arduino IDE and go to Tools, and then into the boards navigate for ESP32CAM module. Here select the AI Thinker ESP32CAM. Again go to Tools and select the right port. And port will be shown as slab USB to UART. If it is not showing in your computer, then you need to install CP2102N driver in your computer. Here I am going to upload simple blink sketch, in which built-in LED will blink in every after 1 second. In ESP32CAM module, the built-in LED is connected at pin number 4. So change the built-in LED to GPIO 4. Now hit the upload button. After clicking the upload button, now press the reset button of ESP32CAM module. Let's see code is uploading or not. As you can see, code is now uploading. That's amazing. Now code is successfully uploaded. Now remove these wires and press the reset button once. Here as you can see, the onboard LED is blinking in every after 1 second. That means our ESP Programmer Module is working fine. Now let's try to flash in any other ESP board. Next I am going to upload the code into the ESP32 chip, which is most popular ESP chip ever. I don't have any separate ESP32 chip, although I have this home automation PCB in which I have ESP32 chip. And this is the connection diagram of ESP Programmer Module to ESP32 chip. So connect the ESP32 chip with ESP Programmer Module according to this connection diagram. Here one important thing to note here, if you are using external power supply or your ESP board is connected to any other power supply, then upload the code without connecting these wires. Otherwise connect this wire to enable the VCC. Now open Arduino IDE and go to Tools and select the right board, that is ESP32 dev board. And also select the right communication port. Here I am going to upload this blink sketch and the LED is connected at pin number 12. Let me make changes in this code. Actually there is a 2 LED on the PCB. So I am going to change this blink code for both LEDs. Just copy these lines and paste it to make this blink code for 2 LED. Second LED is connected at GPIO 13. Make the changes in loop section as well. After making the changes, hit upload button. As you can see, code is start uploading. Here code is successfully uploaded. As you can see, both LEDs are blinking. This means we are able to upload the code into ESP32 chip using ESP Programmer Module as well. So in this way, this module is working fine. Now I am going to upload code into this generic ESP8266 module. Now make the connections as per this connection diagram. Now go to Tools and in the board, select the board as generic ESP8266 module. Also select the right port as well. Again go to Tools and into the built-in LED, select the built-in LED pin number 1. After that, click the upload button to upload the code. As you can see, code is start uploading. Here code is uploaded successfully. As you can see, the built-in LED of ESP8266 module is blinking. This means our ESP Programmer Module is working fine. And by using this ESP Programmer Module, we can easily upload the code in any ESP board. Here if you want to upload the code in ESP12E module, then the connection is almost same as ESP32 chip. There is a little change. You just need to connect these two 10K resistors, that is pull down the GPIO 15 and enable pin, and rest is same as ESP32. That's it in this video. I hope you like this video and learn something new. And if you want to purchase this ESP Programmer Module, you can purchase it from my website, that is technolabelectronics.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.